How to fix Google Chrome not responding on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix Windows Chrome not responding on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Chrome browser. You need to simply open up the Chrome and then you can choose an ID. And once you're here on the Windows Chrome, now you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then you can go for settings. And under your settings here, you will have reset settings on the left side of your screen. Click on reset settings, click on that option, and then you need to click on reset settings and you need to reset everything. So this will not affect anything like your bookmarks or anything, but it will just reset the settings. And once you've done, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to again go for the upper right, which has the three dots, and then you will have this kind of interface again. And you can need to simply go for the extensions options, which is on the bottom of reset settings. So once you're here on the extensions, now make sure that you have toggled off all of these extensions or all of the extensions which you don't use. So simply toggle that off if you're not using the extension. And after turning off your extensions, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply right click on your Windows and then you need to go for run. And you will have this kind of window or your tab. Now under the search, you need to simply search for app wiz.cpl and then click on OK. So here what you need to do is simply go and search for the Google Chrome and you need to simply uninstall Google Chrome on your application. So right click on that and then click on uninstall. And don't worry, your bookmarks or anything will not be deleted. You just need to click on uninstall and reinstall it again. So to reinstall, you need to simply go for your browser and then you can search for, you need to type for google/google.com/Chrome. So once you've searched that, you need to reinstall from that website. And once you've reinstalled, now your problem will be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix your Google Chrome not responding on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.